Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of elephants. These magnificent creatures are not only the largest land animals on Earth, but also some of the most intelligent and emotionally complex beings you'll ever encounter. Imagine a world where these gentle giants roam free, nurturing their young, forming deep social bonds, and playing a crucial role in our ecosystem. But did you know there's so much more to these amazing animals than meets the eye? Stick around as we uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about elephants that will leave you in awe. And don't miss our heartwarming segment on a viral video showcasing an unforgettable reunion between a mother elephant and her lost calf. It's often said that elephants never forget, and there's a good reason for this saying. Elephants have one of the largest brains in the animal kingdom, and their memory is nothing short of extraordinary. Their brains, the largest of any land animal, have a highly developed hippocampus, the region associated with emotion and spatial awareness. This allows elephants to remember locations of water sources and food even after decades. For instance, during droughts, matriarchs lead their herds to waterholes they visited years before. This memory extends to social relationships as well. Elephants can recognize and remember hundreds of different individuals, both elephant and human, over long periods. They can even recognize themselves in mirrors, showcasing their advanced cognitive abilities. It helps them survive in the wild, as they can recall water sources and migratory routes even after many years. This ability helps them maintain complex social networks and avoid potential threats. Their memory is not just about survival. It also plays a role in their emotional lives. Elephants live in highly organized social groups called herds, led by the matriarch, usually the oldest and wisest female. The matriarch is the decision-maker, guiding the herd to food and water and protecting them from danger. Her experience and memory are invaluable to the herd's survival. Family bonds among elephants are incredibly strong. They exhibit behaviors that indicate deep emotional connections, such as touching each other with their trunks, which is a form of greeting and reassurance. Elephants also show empathy. They have been seen helping injured or stuck members of their herd, and even assisting other species in distress. The social structure of elephants is not just about survival, but also about nurturing and emotional support. Young elephants learn from their elders, gaining knowledge and skills that are crucial for their development. This strong sense of community and cooperation is vital for their well-being. Elephants have a sophisticated communication system that includes vocalizations, body language, and seismic signals. They produce a range of sounds, from trumpets and roars to low-frequency rumbles called infrasound, which can travel several miles to communicate with other elephants. This ability allows them to coordinate movements and warn each other of potential dangers, ensuring the safety of the herd. Elephants also use their trunks, ears, and body posture to convey messages. For example, a raised trunk can signal curiosity or alertness, while flapping ears can indicate excitement or aggression. They also communicate through touch, using their trunks to caress and comfort each other. This complex communication system helps elephants coordinate their movements, maintain social bonds, and respond to threats. Interestingly, elephants can also mimic sounds they hear, including human speech, which showcases their intelligence and adaptability. Elephants are known for their deep emotional intelligence. They exhibit behaviors that indicate empathy, such as comforting distressed individuals, mourning the loss of a herd member, and even showing joy during reunions. Their emotional depth is similar to that of humans, making their interactions profoundly touching and relatable. Elephants possess a range of unique talents and abilities that set them apart from other animals. Elephants are among the few non-human animals known to use tools. They have been observed using branches to swat flies, scratching themselves with sticks, and even plugging water holes with balls of chewed bark to prevent evaporation. An elephant's trunk is a marvel of nature, which contain over 40,000 muscles, are incredibly versatile and can be used for multiple purposes. Smelling, breathing, trumpeting, drinking, and grabbing objects. They can accomplish delicate tasks like picking up small objects or for powerful actions like uprooting trees. Elephants are also excellent swimmers and can use their trunks as snorkels while crossing deep water. Additionally, they have a keen sense of smell, which they use to detect water sources and communicate with other elephants. Another remarkable ability is their capacity for self-medication. Elephants have been seen eating specific plants to treat illnesses and injuries, demonstrating their knowledge of natural remedies. Unfortunately, elephants face significant threats from habitat loss and poaching. Habitat loss is one of the most pressing issues for elephants, particularly for Asian elephants. As human populations expand, forests and grasslands are increasingly converted into agricultural land, urban areas, and infrastructure projects. This encroachment reduces the available habitat for elephants, forcing them into smaller, fragmented areas. These fragmented habitats can lead to isolated populations, which are more vulnerable to genetic bottlenecks and reduced genetic diversity. Additionally, habitat loss often results in human-elephant conflict, as elephants may raid crops and come into closer contact with human settlements, leading to potential injuries or deaths on both sides. Poaching for ivory is a major threat to African elephants. Despite international bans on ivory trade, illegal poaching continues to thrive due to high demand, particularly in some Asian markets. Poachers target elephants for their tusks, which are highly valued for their use in traditional medicine, ornaments, and as status symbols. This illegal activity has led to significant declines in elephant populations. For example, the African forest elephant population has decreased by more than 86% over the past 3 decades, and the savanna elephant population has fallen by at least 60% over the past 50 years. Poaching not only reduces elephant numbers but also disrupts their social structures, as the loss of older, experienced individuals can have long-term effects on herd dynamics and survival. Elephants have one of the longest gestation periods of any mammal. The gestation period for elephants is notably lengthy, averaging about 22 months for African elephants and between 18 to 22 months for Asian elephants. Nearly 2-year pregnancy is the longest of any land mammal. The extended gestation period is necessary for the proper development of the elephant calf, which is born relatively mature and capable of standing and walking shortly after birth. This is crucial for survival in the wild, where mobility is essential for avoiding predators and keeping up with the herd. The long gestation period is partly due to the size of the elephant calf, which can weigh around 220 pounds, 100 kilograms, at birth. However, it's not just the physical size that requires such a lengthy development period. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with complex brains. The extended time in the womb allows for the development of their large brains, which are essential for their cognitive abilities, social behaviors, and survival skills. Elephants are born with a well-developed brain that continues to grow and develop after birth, enabling them to learn and adapt to their environment effectively. The long gestation period also reflects the significant maternal investment elephants make in each calf. Elephant mothers are known for their strong maternal instincts and the care they provide to their young. After birth, the calf is dependent on its mother for milk and protection for several years. The extended gestation period ensures that the calf is born at a stage where it can quickly begin to learn from its mother and other members of the herd. This learning includes essential survival skills such as finding food and water, recognizing threats, and understanding social dynamics within the herd. Elephants are often referred to as ecosystem engineers because of their ability to shape their environment. One of the most significant ways elephants act as ecosystem engineers is through their feeding habits. Elephants consume large amounts of vegetation, including leaves, branches, and bark. In doing so, they often push over or uproot trees, which can create clearings in dense forests. These clearings allow sunlight to reach the forest floor, promoting the growth of grasses and other plants that might not otherwise thrive. This process increases plant diversity and creates habitats for a variety of other species, from insects to birds and small mammals. Elephants also play a vital role in seed dispersal. As they travel and feed, they consume a wide variety of fruits and plants. The seeds of these plants pass through their digestive system and are deposited in their dung, often far from the parent plant. This not only helps in spreading plant species across large areas but also ensures that the seeds are deposited in nutrient-rich dung, which provides an excellent environment for germination. This process helps maintain plant diversity and supports the regeneration of forests and grasslands. In addition to modifying vegetation, elephants can also influence water availability in their habitats. During dry seasons, elephants use their tusks and trunks to dig for water in dry riverbeds. These water holes not only provide essential hydration for the elephants themselves, but also become crucial water sources for other animals. By creating these water holes, elephants help sustain a wide range of species during periods of drought too. Elephants contribute to soil health through their movements and feeding behaviors. As they walk, their large feet trample the ground, which helps aerate the soil. This aeration improves water infiltration and nutrient cycling, promoting healthier plant growth. Additionally, the decomposing plant material left behind after elephants feed adds organic matter to the soil, further enhancing its fertility. The changes elephants make to their environment have cascading effects on other species. For example, the clearings they create can become habitats for smaller herbivores, which in turn attract predators. The fallen trees and branches provide shelter and nesting sites for birds and small mammals. Even the dung of elephants supports a variety of dung beetles and other insects, which play important roles in nutrient cycling and soil health. Elephants have a lifespan similar to humans. This longevity is a testament to their resilience, adaptability, and the complex social structures that support their survival. In the wild, both African and Asian elephants can live up to 60 to 70 years. This extended lifespan allows them to accumulate and pass on knowledge crucial for the survival of their herds. For instance, older elephants, particularly matriarchs, play a vital role in guiding their groups to water sources and safe feeding grounds, especially during times of drought or scarcity. Their long lives also enable them to develop strong social bonds and maintain the intricate social networks that are essential for their well-being. Several factors contribute to the long lifespan of elephants. Just like humans, elephants inherit genetic traits that can influence their longevity. Some elephants may have a genetic predisposition to live longer, while others may be more susceptible to diseases that can shorten their lifespan too. Elephants are herbivores, primarily feeding on grass, leaves, bark, and fruits. Their diet provides essential nutrients that support their overall health and longevity. Access to a diverse and abundant food supply in their natural habitats helps maintain their health over many decades. Elephants thrive in diverse environments such as savannas, forests, and grasslands. These habitats provide them with the necessary resources to live long lives, including ample food and water. The ability to roam over large areas also helps them avoid overgrazing and ensures a balanced diet. Elephants are highly social animals that live in tight-knit family groups called herds. These herds consist of related females and their offspring. The strong social bonds within these groups offer emotional support, protection, and opportunities for knowledge sharing, which can positively impact an elephant's lifespan. Now, let's take a closer look at a viral video that's been melting hearts around the world. In this incredible footage, we witness a baby elephant reuniting with its mother after being separated for days. Aerial shots capture the tender moment when the mother elephant cuddles her lost calf, showcasing the deep bond and emotional connection between them. This heartwarming reunion is a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation efforts. Seeing such raw emotion between these magnificent creatures underscores why we must do everything in our power to protect them. Conservationists work tirelessly to ensure that elephant populations thrive, implementing measures to prevent poaching and habitat destruction. This video is not just a testament to the resilience and love of elephants, but also a call to action for all of us. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help secure a future where elephants continue to roam free and share their incredible stories with generations to come. Conservation of elephants is crucial to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures and the health of their ecosystems. Practical steps that anyone can take include supporting organizations dedicated to elephant conservation through donations or volunteer work. Educating oneself and others about the importance of elephants and the threats they face can also make a significant impact. Reducing the demand for ivory by avoiding products made from elephant tusks and advocating for stronger anti-poaching laws are essential actions. Additionally, supporting sustainable tourism practices that prioritize the well-being of elephants and their habitats can help protect these animals. Simple actions like spreading awareness on social media, participating in conservation campaigns, and supporting policies that protect wildlife can collectively make a big difference in the fight to save elephants. By taking these steps, individuals can contribute to the global effort to preserve these incredible animals for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of elephants. We hope you enjoyed these 10 amazing facts and felt inspired by the touching reunion of a mother and her calf. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible animal stories and conservation insights. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of our natural world.